It is good to know of the sciences. It is good to know of the arts. But there's something far greater. There's the revelation of God, that he created us in his image so that we might be able to experience and understand his revelation. There's more to life than just knowledge. There's the revelation of God that he wants his children to have. He wants his children to know. But knowledge in itself has blocked many of us from recognizing revelation because we're so caught up on knowledge. All this earthly knowledge, what did we learn to do? We've learned to make missiles that we can blow one another up more with. We've learned to be able to create diseases and all type of chemical warfare that we can do against one another. We've learned how to shoot one another better. We've learned how to make better guns. We've learned that we can make now 3D guns, plastic guns, so folk can't find them, so we can kill folk more easily. Knowledge. We keep learning and growing in knowledge and intelligence, but the more we know, the less we know. I'm here to tell you that knowledge is not the final thing. I'm here to tell you about tapping into the revelation of God.